video shows you how to change your tail light burnt light bulbs. First you gotta take these screws off. There's the tail light. They're the same from 2010 to 2014, I believe. So here's the top screw. Take that one off. Ratchet, the second one's probably a 9mm, but I'm not sure. They still have 3 pins in them holding it up, and they're kind of tough to get out. Just pull them straight back so you don't bend or break any of them. Be careful. I like the pulling process. 1, 2, bam. Here's the other one. Yeah, that one was easier, it seems like. There it is. There's a second one, and there's one at the bottom as well. I'll probably show it, or giving you a good look on that one. There it is. Then you just gotta turn these to the left and they'll pop loose. I like to jiggle them a little because mine's got a lot of dirt around everything. And be careful not to rip any of the cords. Hold it up with one hand and twist with the second hand. Maybe somebody could hold it for you. And they all pop out the same. Even this little guy. It might not look like it, but I turned it to the left, I'm sure. But they come out pretty easily. Don't put that on the ground. Don't scratch it up. And the bulbs themselves, you just pull them straight out. Get a nice grip and pull them out. You might want to disconnect your battery. I didn't. Put the light bulbs back in and line up these pins, tabs, clips, whatever you want to call them. And once it's lined up, just push it in. Bam! Now you got tail lights.